You want to achieve reliable planning that keeps your customers happy? With a revamp planner, you can ensure that all project plans align with your team's real capacities. That way, you'll achieve efficient workload distribution and meet your deadlines reliably, even during stressful periods. In the new planner, we've separated the projects and workload views, making things simpler. You'll also find your team's calendar directly in the Calendar tab. There are two separate views that you can easily switch between, one for project planning and one for workload planning. In the project planning, you'll find exciting new features such as an improved sidebar, making it even easier for you to find your most important projects quickly. You're now also able to reschedule projects directly from within this view by either dragging and dropping them, moving the entire project's tasks, bookings, and milestones, or by simply grabbing the end of it and dragging it a little bit longer. Over the action menu, you can change the project settings, and you're able to click directly into the project's task timeline or user projects view. Let me show you what's changed in the workload overview. We can now toggle on or off done tasks, tasks from done projects, and recurring tasks, so you can focus on what's most important to you. With the user filters, we can not only filter teams, but also user tasks, which you could use for skills. Deciding who to assign a task to has become even easier as well, thanks to new user availability insights. This information is available anywhere in awork. So if you open up a task and assign it to another user, you're now able to check everyone's availability directly from within the task without having to switch to a workflow view or the planner. With the new multi-select feature, you can now also select multiple tasks and booking at a time to edit them. If you're ever stuck, you can now also ask awork for help. One of the biggest new features in this view is the checklist. This can individually be set up by every single user, and it helps you identify potential bottlenecks or problems in your project plan by showing you upcoming due dates of tasks and milestones, absences, and over or underbooked users. The new planner seamlessly connects the two different planning levels: high-level project planning or detailed task or even day-level planning. The planner gives you integrated capacity planning, clear planning views, and proactive problem solving. Do you want to learn more? Check out our resources or keep an eye out for our upcoming webinar announcements.